In every IVF cycle, at the end of the day, success rate matters. And at Janitva, we are very proud to announce that we have one of the highest success rate in Guwahati. At Janitva, we tailor every treatment based on age, health history, and lifestyle.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we welcome our Honourable Chief Minister to unveil the plaque marking the grand opening of the Williamson Sangma, Meghalaya State Museum.
Yakni ke Williamson Sangma Meghalaya State Museum keberada Shna Penbhamanta Lapli Menteri Rang Pak Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat kejingan lang Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture Pak Polendo Menteri Ketenat Boarding Yeti Mondal Kihe Officer Sarkar bat kiwe-kiwe kebelah syakot ngobha. Yakni ke museum kedai kebala design Pynwandur Thymmai kat kum kene kejuk ke pemerintah. Bat penlong ki breu ke belit jingo yakni ke museum bakin sngo tenat bat yo aru ki jingnang jingtep ki bakongsan hagi benta beper. Habakran ke jingelang ke bala penlong house sotham auditorium. Ukorat Kongkal Sangma ulang bah kepor bulalet yakasin ke beningkong yakni ke museum agasnam arajar khatra. Uladap dak jing sngusi. Nrai menta udap dak jing sngu sarong bani iba hadu katno kilala ban punya cekmat ya kejing pun bahaya ke museum. Ulang bagani ke museum kam dei tak kejing tai nrai kalong ru pun kejing Plie ke baim ya kejing long tenrai jong jat ben riau ke jela kejing tebet jongki bat ikalawai banangwan. Menteri Rang Ba ulang bagani senjam ke shibenta jong kejing ijingai ban rakhe ban bo kejing tho bat ban penek pensa kejing ruspa ke jela ya kejing dan jeng em ki barem jong kalariti rengkat ba kejing kentio ya koyo kokon. Ulia tu ru bagatrat pulih putih kan sepinmi ya kejing betha ban pelongkong san ya berok kena pulih bagi di melet jengo ya dengan museum. Ban pengam ya kejing sotu aki syapang kalariti bagi jing ya ro ha pedeng jong kisapna. Nalor kene ulang bagi sarkar kan satai ya kum kene museum ha keleng kibenta jong kejela ha kebat sedang syuana natura bat an sabeteng pat aki-aki district kibakong san jong kejela.
It has been the endeavor of our government to really focus on our identity. We've always felt that as a government and as people of the state, what makes us different from the rest of the world is our identity. And that identity is defined by our culture, by our language, by the different clothes we wear, the ornaments we wear, the food that we eat, the different music aspects, so on and so forth. And therefore, there has been a concerted effort from our government to be able to really nurture this in the best manner. Number one, to reinforce our identity and to make sure that we are able to really distinguish and distinctly give a proper shape, I guess, and proper identity to who we are. But apart from that, we've also realized that it is crucial for us to be able to document and preserve these aspects. And thirdly, apart from maintaining that identity, documenting it and preserving it, how do we make it more creative? How do we create an economy out of the creative aspect of our society? How do we incorporate culture? How do we incorporate our history, our identity, through this creative process into an economy in itself? And therefore, we've been working from all fronts to be able to bring all of this larger picture together. Our government is focusing on multiple fronts. It's not just about putting up a museum and saying that's it. We have research happening. We are funding researchers, and I encourage, if some of you are willing to, because I'm really impressed with this research that's happening. All of this research will be converted into booklets. They will be available for people to buy. I'm sorry, you cannot get it for free. You'll have to buy because we want to support these researchers. So I'm very happy that this entire aspect of tourism and having this creative economy, linking this creative economy to our culture, to our music, to our history, is happening as we speak.